A magnification produced by a lens is 1. If the image is formed at a distance of 24 cm from the lens, where is the object placed? Also find the focal length and the power of the lens. So pause and think over. It's a pretty tricky question. So if you are able to write what kind of lens we are talking about, where is the object kept, so on and so forth, we are pretty much done. So we are talking about a lens which creates or gives a magnification of 1. So the only one which does this is your convex, right? A plain glass can do this, but we're talking about lens. So we have object kept at what? 2f1 and the image will be at 2f2. Why is it so? How can I tell this? See, magnification is 1 means what? So let me write that. If we set to have a magnification of 1, given m is equal to 1, right? Object is at, image is at minus 24 centimeter, plus. How is that I am able to conclude this? I'll explain. As magnification is 1, this means hi is equal to ho. That is, the height of the image is equal to height of the object. This is possible only by convex lens when u is equal to 2f1, which is also equal to minus. Anyways, let me not confuse you guys. So basically, if you keep it over there, center of curvature, you will get it at center of curvature, right? So v is equal to plus 24, therefore u is equal to minus 24 centimeter, right? And this is also equal to, the radius of curvature will be equal to plus 24, right? From this point to this point, right? This is your radius of curvature. Find the power of the lens and the focal length. I forgot to mention that. We need to find the power and the focal length of the lens. So since we know the radius of curvature, we can find the power of the lens, not an issue. So focal length will be r by 2, which is equal to 12 centimeter. So focal length done. So next is the power. So power is equal to 100 by focal length in centimeter. So this is 100 by 12, which is nothing but 50 by 25 by 3 diopter. Okay. So we have your power as well, and we are done. Understood? So the tricky part was the magnification being 1, and this is possible only if we have a convex lens, right? So when we keep the object at this point, we get an image at center of curvature itself at the other end. So v is positive 24, so u is minus 24, and so on and so forth. R is plus 24 because focal length of convex is on to the right. So this is positive, so focal length will be positive, radius of curvature is positive, and power and everything, so on and so forth. And we got the final answer. Okay, so please see to that you understand the concept. Such question can be done only by knowing the ray diagram. If not, no way you could have figured out this fast, right? Because we had the answer before we wrote all of this. with the ray diagram, with this value. Right? This is the funda, and you have to get stronger with your fundamentals.